Welcome to Queensland, Australia's sunshine state, where adventure and beauty blend seamlessly under the southern sky. We begin in the far north at the majestic Barron Falls. Watch as the water thunders down the rugged terrain, surrounded by the lush ancient rainforest. As we venture westward, the landscape transforms dramatically. Witness the breathtaking red sands of Weipa, where the earth tells a tale of ancient times. The vibrant hues of the outback are a stark contrast to the tropical greens, showcasing Queensland's diverse palette. From the outback, we soar to the azure waters of the Great Barrier Reef. Marvel at the mosaic of islands, each a paradise in its own right. This aerial view reveals the reef's beauty and the myriad of blues that paint the sea. These islands are sanctuaries for an incredible diversity of marine life. Our journey takes us to Townsville, a coastal town located between the reef and the rainforest. With Magnetic Island gracing the horizon, the blend of urban and natural landscapes here is simply captivating. Continuing south, we reach the Sunshine Coast, where golden beaches meet crystal clear waters. As we soar over the coastline, revealing hidden coves, lush hinterlands, and the serene beauty of the beloved region, it's a place where the sun kisses the sea. Our final destination is Brisbane, Queensland's vibrant capital. As we approach the city, the Brisbane River winds its way through the landscape, leading us to a bustling metropolis. that harmlessly blends with natural beauty. Brisbane's sights are a fitting conclusion to our aerial voyage. If you've enjoyed this cinematic journey, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you next time.